Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator on a Dodge journey. First, ensure your engine is cool. Begin by draining all the old coolant from the radiator into a suitable container. Next, for safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Then, carefully remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses from their connections. With the hoses off, your next step is to detach the cooling fan assembly. This usually involves unplugging electrical connectors and removing a few bolts. If your journey has an automatic transmission, you'll also need to disconnect any transmission cooler lines from the radiator. Finally, unbolt the radiator mounting brackets and carefully lift the old radiator out of the engine bay. Now, it's time to install your new radiator. Carefully lower it into position, ensuring it sits correctly in its mounts. Reattach the mounting brackets and secure them tightly. Then, reconnect all the radiator hoses and any transmission cooler lines you previously removed. Don't forget to reattach the cooling fan assembly and plug in its electrical connectors. Almost done, refill your cooling system with the correct type and amount of fresh coolant. It's crucial to bleed any air from the system to prevent overheating, so follow your vehicle's specific procedure for this. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and check for leaks. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.